Is your check engine light on? One possible culprit could be your oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in your exhaust and sends information to the engine computer. The ECU uses this information to adjust the air-fuel mixture, helping the engine run efficiently. When the sensor becomes contaminated, slow, or fails, it can send incorrect information to the computer. Common symptoms can include poor fuel economy, rough running, hesitation, increased emissions, and a check engine light, but don't automatically replace the sensor just because an oxygen sensor code appears. Proper diagnosis is important. A technician should inspect the wiring, connectors, exhaust leaks, and sensor operation before replacing the part. If the sensor is confirmed to be faulty, the old sensor can be carefully removed using the correct tool. The replacement sensor is installed, connected, and checked to make sure everything is secure. Remember, a check engine light doesn't automatically mean the O2 sensor is bad. Diagnose the cause first.